Hey guys, and happy Monday. Today is President's Day, so I have the day off from work, which is amazing. Thank you. But what are we gonna do today? We are gonna go out, we're gonna do some shopping. Now listen guys, we went to Indiana over the weekend. I took a long 4-day weekend. I need to get my hair done, hello. I mean, priorities, right? So we drove to Indiana, very eventful, tons of snow, not tons of snow, but lots of ice. Like everything was fine here in Illinois, a little bit, unseasonably warm in my opinion. And then we get over the Indiana border, there's like snow flying off of cars. We're like, what's going on? Turns out they got snow and ice. And thankfully, Google Maps rerouted us and took us deep into the rural nether regions of Indiana. So it was like pure ice on the roads. Very exciting. So anyway, on the way back, it was a lot nicer. So we took our time. We stopped in Goshen at Zane's favorite video game store, picked up a few games there. And then we stopped at Fremont and I got something cute for the house, which I'll show you guys in a little bit. And then on the way home, we stopped off at Michigan City. I wanted to hit the Ralph Lauren outlet because I was carrying my Ricky all weekend. No one recognized it. I was like, okay, kind of bummed, but whatever. And then we also hit the Coach outlet there. You guys, I should have filmed it, but Fremont, if you're in Indiana, Fremont is the best, probably the best Coach outlet in the country. Like it's super small. It's literally like maybe 500 square feet in there, but they always have the best stuff, the best staff. It's always perfectly zoned, laid out beautifully. Oh, the reserve section was amazing. They had a whole wall of Coach Reserve, which was phenomenal. I'm just gonna say it, I think Coach outlet stuff is getting a little bit better. Like we went through a design dark age for a little bit with Made for Factory, because if you guys remember, like late 2000s, 2010s, amazing. Last 5 or 6 years though, like Coach outlet designs have not been phenomenal, but they're finally starting to turn around again. So I am in a Coach mood today. So we're gonna go to the Rosemont outlet. I'm gonna pop in. There's a couple things I want to try on, show you guys, but first we're gonna have to get some breakfast. But before all of that, I'm switching handbags because I don't know if the Ralph Lauren Ricky really goes with Mickey Milkovich. Mickey meet Ricky. Okay, that could kind of be a vibe. Not gonna do it though. I've already got a new bag picked out. We are going to switch into my delightfully tacky Gucci Marmont in the multicolored blue. And guys, listen, I had this pom-pom way back in the day and I stupidly sold it. This is from Coach's Poppy collection, believe it or not, but it is all just beautiful strips of suede. And I found this again. I paid a small fortune for it, but it's like, you know what? That is one thing I regret selling. It might have sold it or it might have burned. Could go either way, knowing me. I tracked it back down and I've never worn it since I've had it, but I'm like, okay, that's gonna be kind of cute. And we're going for like a whole blue kind of moment today. I don't know. I just wanted to wear a sweatshirt and Mickey sounded cute, so I threw it on. We're gonna go get some breakfast at Rise and Dine. I am super freaking hungry. And then we're gonna go shopping. Like, come on, like let's have a fun day. It's gonna be a fun, chill day. There's gonna be some books, I think. There's gonna be some Coach outlet. I know for a fact, like I don't think like I know that's gonna happen. I'm just ready for a chill day, chill vibes, so let's go. All right, now I'm sure you guys are dying to see, but this is everything inside of my Ricky. I love the Ricky, you guys. I think I see another Ricky in my near future, I really do. Call me crazy, why did I think this was a good idea? I literally bought wallets for like every like single bag or style of bag. Now I'm like, I only ever carry my Brazza wallet and I never switch. So I have like a whole drawer full of wallets, but I mean, hello, that's kind of a vibe. So I have to switch, right? Right? Do I? I don't know. I'm gonna do it because I need to give my Brazza a break. All right, so this is everything that I'm gonna be taking today. Gucci Marmont wallet for my Marmont bag, a little Balenciaga coin thing, I think. I managed to get the most essential items for my Posh Toilet 15 because tiny bag energy, TBE, kind of, sort of, for me anyway. Pills, we've got Advil, Tylenol, Tums, all your favorite things, car key, gum, and that's it. I'm traveling light today. I kind of love it. All right, OOTD, Mickey Milkovich sweatshirt via Etsy, Gucci Coach, Gucci belt, ASOS, worn out Adidas dad shoes. Pookie, you look absolutely far.
Casablanca.
Yo.
Coach. Target. Cole Haan. And Contigo.
Contigo. All right, guys, let's go and eat. I'm starving and I'm ready to do some shopping.
Love is ill. I wish that it was different. Don't know what it is that made us so.
Well, I came here for a breakfast burrito. And then they changed their menu. They cut it in half, their menu. And there's no breakfast burrito.
No.
So I was very irritated.
Mine was good. Anyway, let's go shopping. I am literally devastated. The Prada outlet is gone, you guys. After all these years, add insult to injury, and also Ermenegilda Zinnia is gone. So this is turning out to be a great trip.
Oh, I don't mind a little rain on my suit. A little bit of angry makes you cute. And we've been watching this show so long, but it feels like everything that we wrote went back into the pen we used. It won't take long, even when I'm without you, when I'm without you, babe. So listen up and play along. And that's how time flies, like we on a different timeline. Tell me that you're here and feeling down for anything. Oh, I'm down for anything. It's fine line that we keep on walking all night. Tell me that you're here and feeling down for anything. Oh, I'm down for anything. Down, 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 if we can keep it. Down, 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 if we can keep it. Down, down, down. Oh, I'm down for anything. Down, 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 if we can keep it. Down, 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 if we can keep it. Down, down, down. Oh, I'm down for anything. Yeah, we can make a mess inside this booth. You're taking me to places old and new, sweeter sound than our favorite song. And it feels like every time that it comes on, we just roll on till the day's done and the lights gone. And it won't take long, even when I'm without you, when I'm without you, babe. So listen up and play along, yeah. And that's how time flies, like we on a different timeline. Tell me that you're here and feeling down for anything. Oh, I'm down for anything. It's fine line that we keep on walking all night. Tell me that you're here and feeling down for anything. Oh, I'm down for anything. Down, 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 if we can keep it. Down, 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 if we can keep it. Down, down, down. Oh, I'm down for anything. Down, 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 if we can keep it. Down, 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 if we can keep it. Down, down, down. Oh, I'm down for anything. For anything. For anything. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. On we'll go.
something. Kind of a big deal. The mall, so sad, you guys. So we lost Prada, Ermenegildo Zegna, and the Longchamp store. I can't handle it. So sad. Tons of good stuff out at the outlets today, you guys. Like, I'm gonna have everything linked down below. I think I'm gonna say it. Coach Outlet is finally getting good again. I mean, I bought something. Did I mention that? I'm super excited. I think now we're off to Zane's video game stores. One store. We're gonna do a video game store, and are we still doing half price?
Yeah.
Duh. Hello. Super successful trip into the video game store. What is it even called? Then and Now.
Then and Now.
From Atari to
good
Xbox.
One.
There's usually a really good selection in there. And just like chill vibes. I'm going to show them my game first, and then you can do a game haul. Prince of Persia: The Forgotten Sands for PSP. I don't have enough PSP games.
He's like, is this good?
Would I like this? I like adventure games and shooters. So.
He's like, do I need the first one? I was like, the first one's like back in Nintendo, like NES day, so no, you don't need the first one.
I'm a purist when it comes to stories. Like, I need to do everything in order. So, excuse me for wanting to understand the prince's backstory, whoever he is, but I'm excited. What did you get? Pokey.
Pokey got The Dark Mirror.
Siphon Filter.
Is this that one game you saw, remember?
No.
We're still trying to figure out. He saw a random PS2 game cover at a video game store in Fort Wayne years ago, and we haven't figured out what the cover is. He describes it. What was it?
So it's like a black and white, like overexposed man in a suit holding a gun, stuff going on behind him and maybe red letters. No, it's not Hitman.
Or Max Payne. I don't know. Max
Payne, but it was in the PS2 aisle and never have found it again. I even went back in the aisle, I think the same day.
The same moment.
Wasn't there.
Robinson?
That looks really good.
I collect the VR games when I see them at a good price. Because I feel like they're, you don't like VR games. But this will work on the new VR. So
it makes me sick.
And then The Quarry. This is a horror game.
Spooky.
Spooky. Yeah. So that was a good price.
Yeah. All in, we paid what? 58?
58 with tax, yeah.
A lot less than what I spent at the Coach Outlet. Now, for those of you who missed it, go back and watch my Leaning Tower of Niles video. Lots of grade A quality Birkin content in that video too, so go and check it out. Link in description. So we're finally at half price, which if you were wondering, is conveniently located next to the giant dicks.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways.
So we just left half price, and I picked up a book. I almost got two. I was like, reel it in, Caleb. You just spent a lot of money at the outlet. So fiscal responsibility right here, the picture of. Anyway, what did I get? Love that about you. Stay curious. I got the French Touch, which is a myriad of gorgeous French interiors from 1988. I mean, hello, a lot of great things came from 1988. So for $7.99, I thought this would be just fun to like throw in my book pile.
It was originally $34.50 back in '88.
Ooh, or $42 if you lived in Canada.
In Canada, poor Canada.
Always paying a Canada tax. So we're gonna end the vlog here. Make sure you guys come back on Friday. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. Like, you do not want to miss it. I have checked off a major Coach item from the wish list.
Woo.
Was it on my 2024 wish list? No, but I don't need your judgment. Save space. Anyway, guys, I'll see you all on Friday. Bye.
Bye.
We'll be right back.